Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Panasonic electric rice cooker. The model number is SR-RN188. So there's actually two colors here, which is silver and elegant pink. We got the elegant pink here and we'll show it to you later. Let's go around the box here. So this rice cooker features including cooking, steaming, and it has detachable inner lid and also detachable steam vent for you to wash them. Nothing on this side. The size is 1.8 liter. It has a non-stick pan inside. Steam, keep warm, and the repeat things again. Now, without further ado, let's open this box. Let's see what's inside. We got this quantity paper, manual, and here is the rice cooker itself, protected by the styrofoam. White in color. Let's take this out first and then set it aside. Anything else in the box? No more. Okay. Let's just have a look at this rice cooker. So, oops, this is the front, and this is the elegant pink color here. I think this is plastic. Everything is plastic. And here is the vent itself. So it's detachable, like so. There's rubber in here. Not sure what this is. Open it, there's a button here for you to open. Here is the detachable lid. Just a very thin layer of aluminum, easy to watch. Then you can just detach it back. And then we have this power cable. I believe this is 1.8 meter. Then we got this, what do we call this? For you to scoop your rice. Then this is the steamer plate, very light plastic. And then we have this. Then we have this rice cup here. Up to 160 ml, I believe. And then we have this non-stick pan. Looks really nice. I don't think that the rice will stick in here, but I think it's best we test it out. But it's quite hefty and it's of good quality. And then this is the 1.8 liter size. Anything else? So yeah, that's about it. Let's just put things inside. And overall, this does look nice. So as you can see, this is the front look of it. We have the cook and keep warm function. So yeah, and it comes with 1 year of warranty. The warning here that the steam comes out from here. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends if you find this useful. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.